Ja. Okay, so 46, 46. Das Thema, the theme titled einen Einkauf planen. Yeah. Planen is to plan something, and Einkauf planen means to plan a shopping. Planen is again a verb, and it's again a normal regular verb. You can always conjugate it the way you do. Ich plane, du planst, plant, like that. Yeah. So planen and Einkauf planen, that is to plan a shopping. Now, kommt ihr? The question says, kommt ihr? So what do you think this question can mean? Kommt du, kommt ihr, kommen sie? What is that?
Where do you come from?
Nine. Where do you come from? No, that is kommen aus. It is simply, kommen means to come, right? And ear is to you both. So what do you think? What does this mean? For example, if I write kommst du, are you coming? If I write kommt ihr, so are you both coming? This is the meaning. Kommst du, kommt ihr. So it's basically it's an for example, if we are for example, if I am planning to visit supermarket tomorrow and I am asking somebody that would you be coming with me? Are you coming with me? So it's like asking somebody to join you for the shopping session. That could it mean. So here, drei a. Die Einladung. Die Einladung. Einladung means invitation. Einladung. That is the invitation. So let's see what invitation do we have here. Lesen Sie die Nachricht. Nachricht means a message. Nachricht. It's a noun. Die Nachricht. It's a feminine. So the message. So lesen Sie, read the message. Welche Antwort passt? Which answers or which answer passes here that you need to write? Yeah, which answer passes? So here, wir grillen heute Abend bei uns. Grillen means to grill. Like when you do a grilling party, that's called grill. Grill, you know what is exactly to like we have the open fire and then they grill fish, meat, everything there. That's grilling. Wir grillen heute Abend bei uns. We are grilling today evening at by us. Kommt here. Are you both coming? So there are three answers here. A, B, C. So read all the three answers and let me know which answer goes the best with the question or with the, with the message. A or a B or a C. Die Antwort ist A oder B oder C. Das Sie sollen mir sagen. Wo seid ihr? Wir warten schon. Das Essen ist gleich fertig. Gern. Wir kommen und kaufen Fleisch bis später. Danke für die Einladung. Wir haben morgen keine Zeit, aber vielleicht am Wochenende. So what do you think?
Ma'am, do we have to answer this question? We are grilling heute Abend bei.
Yeah, you have to find out the answer for this particular question.
From A, B, and C option, right?
From A, B, and C, yeah.
Is the option.
What does it say?
Say, okay. Samriddhi says it's B.
Yeah, B.
And Ashwin, what do you think?
Baby.
Okay, so yeah, B is the correct answer. Why not C? I'll tell you, Sana. Okay, so B written, Gyan. Gyan is always when you give an agreement to something, when you agree to something, then you say, yeah, gern. So it's like, yes, we are common, we are coming. Und kaufen Fleisch, and we are buying, or we'll be buying fish. Fleisch is meat, not fish. Meat. Bis später. See you later. Then the third one, Danke für die Einladung, that is thank you for the invitation. But it's written, wir haben morgen keine Zeit. Morgen and heute. The question says, wir gehen heute Abend, Sana. Today evening. And the answer is written morgen. Morgen is tomorrow. So if the invitation is of today evening, how can be the answer be of tomorrow? The answer says we don't have time tomorrow. Wir haben morgen keine Zeit. So this morgen word is wrong here. If it would have been heute, then this could have been the answer as well. But then we don't have morgen. The question says we are grilling today evening. So the answer has to be in the today. So this answer, the say one doesn't go here. So the answer is B. Gern, we are common and kaufen Fleisch, bis später. Yeah, we are coming and we'll be buying your fish. See you later.
In
Now,
the dictionary, it says that Fleisch means meat.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you said fish.
Fleisch is meat. Yeah. Fish, their fish is fish. Fish means fish. And their Fleisch is meat. And then they have a lot of variety of meat. They have pork, beef, and some others. So I don't know which exactly meat they're talking, but it's meat. Okay, now, as they're having a party today, so definitely they'll be needing something to cook. So here, there are two persons, Mario and Elena, planen eine Grillparty. Yeah, so they are planning a grill party. Hören und lesen Sie das Gespräch. You will be listening and you have to read this particular conversation. Gespräch means conversation. Das Gespräch means a conversation. So you have to read a conversation given in your book and you have to also listen to the conversation over the audio. And schreiben Sie die Einkaufszettel für Mario and Elena. Einkauf means shopping. Zettel means a piece of paper. So Einkaufszettel means, like for example, when we go out in order to shop something, we make a list of it. So Einkaufszettel is a shopping list. Einkaufszettel is a shopping list. So you have to find out from the Hören that what things Mario and Elena they already have and what they need to buy. So they'll be talking about some things, for example, tomato, maybe tomato, Eier, Käse, Orangensaft, Brot, something like that. So you need to figure out what they are talking about and which things they need. So there are two persons. Mario is the male and Elena is the girl. So let's see what they need to buy for their grill party. That you need to figure out in here. Okay, then okay, it's 45. Ein Moment.
Wir machen den Salat und kaufen die Getränke und Katrin und Lukas kaufen das Fleisch und die Würste.
Ein Moment. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. Let me know if the voice is coming clear to you.
Wir machen den Salat und kaufen die
Is it coming
Getränke.
properly? The sound?
Yeah.
Okay, super. Dann warten. Ein Moment. Warum ist das so? Ich habe schon das abgelegt. Ein Moment. Yeah, now I'll play it again.
4.
Ja, hier, bitte.
Wir machen den Salat und kaufen die Getränke und Katrin und Lukas kaufen das Fleisch und die Würstchen.
Okay. Was brauchen wir noch für den Salat? Haben wir alles?
Moment. Salat haben wir. Wir brauchen Tomaten, Eier, Öl und eine Gurke. Ach, und Käse. Wir haben keinen Käse mehr. Getränke. Wir haben auch keine Getränke.
Gut. Ich gehe zum Markt und kaufe die Eier, die Tomaten und die Gurke. Und ein Brot kaufe ich auch. Der Käse ist da so teuer. Kaufst du den Käse im Supermarkt?
Ja, stimmt. Ich gehe zum Supermarkt und kaufe Käse, Öl und die Getränke.
Und dann gehen wir ins Café Amadeus und trinken einen Kaffee. Okay?
Ja, das ist eine gute Idee. Also dann, bis gleich.
Okay, I'll play it again.
Wir machen den Salat und kaufen die Getränke und Katrin und Lukas kaufen das Fleisch und die Würstchen.
Okay. Was brauchen wir noch für den Salat? Haben wir alles?
Moment. Salat haben wir. Wir brauchen Tomaten, Eier, Öl und eine Gurke. Ach, und Käse. Wir haben keinen Käse mehr. Getränke. Wir haben auch keine Getränke.
Gut. Ich gehe zum Markt und kaufe die Eier, die Tomaten und die Gurke. Und ein Brot kaufe ich auch. Der Käse ist da so teuer. Kaufst du den Käse im Supermarkt?
Ja, stimmt. Ich gehe zum Supermarkt und kaufe Käse, Öl und die Getränke.
Und dann gehen wir ins Café Amadeus und trinken einen Kaffee. Okay?
Ja, das ist eine gute Idee. Also dann, bis gleich.
Okay. Haben Sie schon verstanden? Did you understand what they have to buy for Mario?
A little bit, yes. A little bit, yes.
Warten. Mario und Elena, yeah. Okay, so bitte. For Mario, first of all, Samriddhi.
Do they have the salad, right?
What, Samriddhi? Could you please repeat again?
They are making the salad, right?
Rishtish.
First was
Okay, so what?
tomato.
Okay, and who needs to buy tomato? Elena or Mario? Okay, first of all,
Mario.
we'll write the list and then we'll divide it. Okay, tomato, Rishtish, what else?
Iron.
Okay. Sana, what did you hear?
Y'all.
What did you hear? Anything? Tomato and iron?
You're like
Very good. Okay. He said yol. Okay. Ashwin, did you hear anything? Any item?
Käse,
Yeah, Rishtish. Very good. Faiza. Okay, anything else?
Brot,
Okay. And
I think curd. Very
I know then. Okay, that's my colony's dog association. When they come out, it's like having a India-Pakistan match sort of thing. That's how the thing goes. So colony, it's a problem in Delhi. I know I've been to places, and in every colony they have everyone has got a bunch of dogs, and they are like, when somebody comes in, maybe a new dog, and when they come out for a walk or something, they all are like that. It's not my territory. You're not allowed to enter here. That's how the scenario. It's very funny, but it's very irritating at times. Kind of blame. That's just their world. They have to do it. Okay, so yeah, Ayer, Yol, Kaiser, Bro, Tomaten. One item is missing. Anyone?
Gurkha.
Haven't you heard Gurkha? Gurkha.
Gurkha.
Gurkha. Yeah, they said Gurkha, so that's Gurkha. Yeah. So Tomaten, Ayer, Yol, Kaiser, Brod, Gurkha. Now, what needs to be taken care by Mario and what needs to be taken care by Elena? That was the second question. I'm happy you got the names of the items now. Ashwin, could you figure out what Mario is going to buy and what Elena is going to buy?
Ariana needs to buy case.
Okay.
Elena needs to
Okay,
buy.
then Elena needs to buy Kaiser.
No, Mario needs to buy case.
Okay.
Old. Get drunk.
Okay, super. Getränke means drinks. Getränke, all the juices and Coca-Cola, they come in the category of Getränke. Getränke means drinks. Die Getränke, that is the what here? Drinks. It's a plural. Getränke, drinks. Richtig. So Käse and Getränke will be taken care by, or it has to be bought by Mario and Elena. Samriti, anything you heard for Elena?